Hello, welcome back to Astro Chronicles. In today's video, we are going to create Engress-Only Internet Gateway. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell. So, if you open the Amazon console management, go to VPC, open the VPC console, type in here VPC. In the navigation pane, choose Egress-Only Internet Gateway. Then create Egress-Only Internet Gateway. So here you should specify the name, my Egress-Only Internet Gateway, and delete. This is for later to remember to delete these resources. Let's choose VPC, our default VPC. You can specify tags and attach VPC. Attach the Egress-Only Internet Gateway to this VPC. Then choose create Egress-Only Internet Gateway. So our internet gateway was created here. Yes. Next, you should specify route. Create custom route table to send traffic destined out the VPC to the Egress-Only Internet Gateway. You must create custom route table. Add route that sends traffic to the gateway and then associate with your subnet. So open VPC console. In the navigation pane, choose route tables and create route table. So my custom route table for Egress-Only Internet Gateway and delete. You should choose the VPC. So here, let's our VPC and create route table. On the routes tab, choose edit routes and specify this type of route here. On the destination box, you should choose Egress-Only Internet Gateway and save changes. On the Subnet Association tab, edit Subnet Association and select checkbox for the subnets. Let's choose this subnet. Save association. So that's all for creating Egress-Only Internet Gateway. So let's delete Egress-Only Internet Gateway. Let's go back to Egress-Only Internet Gateway, choose my gateway, actions, delete. To confirm deletion, tap delete in the field. Delete. So our Egress-Only Internet Gateway was deleted. That's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell. Thank you.